Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Success. Today I'm going to be talking about a video game company called Atari, where they make a lot of those nostalgic games such as Pacman and Mario Bros. And so before we get started, I would like to mention there is a link below for Webull where you can get 2 free stocks for signing up and depositing $100. They also have a promotion going on for another couple of weeks where if you do refer 2 friends, you can get another 10 free stocks. And so there is an opportunity to get 12 free stocks if you sign up and refer 2 friends. And so if you're interested in that, there is a link below. Also, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. And so let's get into it. So here's the chart for Atari. As you can see, the ticker symbol is PONGF, and this was up 15% today. It is trading at $1.15 after they did release news that they will be having a blockchain division. And so let's take a look at this article here. This is stating that they will have 2 different divisions. They will have an Atari gaming division and an Atari blockchain division. And so they also have a change in leadership. And so they are starting to really change direction here. They are starting to focus on cryptocurrencies, blockchains. And so they have a lot of things going on here. This stock is very speculative. They have not really made any of these changes. They just are really talking about a lot of these things they are going to start working towards. And so that is something to keep in mind. This stock here is not a guarantee in returns, as it is a very speculative investment. And so let's take a look at this article here. And so they have announced the 2 different divisions in gaming and blockchain. And so they are still going to be focusing and operating the games they've already created that have been successful. And they are also going to be supporting the VCS, which is a system that they released last year. And so they're still going to be working on those, as those are kind of their core values. That's how the company came about in the first place. However, they are also going to be focusing on the blockchain division. And so they are going to be evaluating opportunities in the blockchain gaming, NFTs, and blockchain-based online worlds. And so the division is going to take effect April 1st, 2021. And so this went live just a couple of days ago. They also have their own cryptocurrency coin here as well. And so they did develop this. They went through an IPO stage a few months ago. And so just past Sunday here, this coin was trading at 67 cents. It did drop quite a bit. It is now trading right at about 48 cents. And so I think this is another way for Atari to raise money by going through the IPO for this cryptocurrency. And so they have a lot of different plans. As I've stated, they are going into the blockchain area as well. And so they have stated here that they are also going to be launching a crypto casino. And so the venture will feature nostalgia-tinged games and Atari non-fungible tokens and can be leveraged to earn more digital currency. And so according to their joint statement, the company believes bets will exceed $150 million in 2021 and $400 million over the next few years. And so whether they have just a casino for online gambling with cryptocurrencies, or they integrate this into some of their games they already have, where if you want to leverage cryptocurrencies when you are playing those games, whether you're going to win or not, that could be an option for them as well. And so one last thing I'd like to look at here is they're also looking at building a hotel in Dubai, Gibraltar, and Spain. And so they have a licensed agreement with the ICICB group. And so they do have a way to also generate some more income here as well. And so under the provisions of the agreement, Atari is entitled to 5% of the revenues generated from the hotels. And in addition, Atari is entitled to receive an amount of $500,000 in the form of non-refundable advance payment and consulting fees. And so I think the company is starting to raise a lot of money. They're trying to build these hotels to raise money. They also created a cryptocurrency, going through an IPO for that. And so they were able to raise money there as well. They're getting into the blockchain industry. And so I think they're starting to really modernize themselves while keeping a lot of the games that they have already created and developed. So I think that is a good thing for them. However, like I said, I'm not going to be investing in this company right away, just because I believe it is so speculative and they have not proven that they are actually going to bring a lot of these to fruition. And so I think that is something to keep in mind. And so if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.